Welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Click that little red button there and subscribe to my channel. I'm putting up new videos all the time. I want to help you in your journey to higher consciousness here as we go forward. And what I want to talk about today is something that I learned a long time ago, and I've been using it for many, many years to help me create better outcomes in situations. And that's going to be basically creating your emotional space in advance. And what does that mean? What it means is your energy is always moving and it's always sending out messages all the time. So this is happening whether you realize it or not. So it doesn't matter if you sent the energy or you think you didn't, you did. And it was funny, I used to teach salespeople this, and I would say, before you go on that appointment, I want you to send the energy out there. I want you to put that positivity out there. Send good vibrations out to that location, to that person you're going to see. Because what you're doing is you're actually starting to create the outcome that you desire. So what I want you to do now as you're going forward, instead of just going through the day and saying, oh, you know, random things are happening and this is happening and that's happening and so forth. What I want you to do now is consciously really focus and say to yourself, if you know you're doing something. Now, we also have situations where we deal with things as they happen, which you're also creating, by the way. But in this case, I want to focus on when you know you're going somewhere. You're going on a date, you're going on an interview, you're going for an appointment, you're going to meet family members for dinner, whatever the case may be. You want to create the emotional space before you get there by focusing on the outcome and how you want it to go. By doing that, you're actually placing that energy out there to start to move that event in that direction. Now, I'm not really talking about manipulation. I'm talking more about sending out positive, love-based energy to wherever it is that you're doing. And when you do that, you start to create positivity for the people around you. Doesn't mean it's going to work 100% of the time, but it may also create some type of event that will clear the air or help you see people in a different way or understand something or resolve a situation. So this is a technique that you can use. And it's really about learning how to project that energy forward, because you're doing it anyway. It's almost like you're doing it unconsciously, but you can now do it with a conscious intent. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit more on my next Spiritual Saturday webinar, which will be this Saturday, April 2nd. You can go to spiritualsaturdays.com to join that session and join that call. So again, go to spiritualsaturdays.com. I'll be talking about this. I'm also going to talk about what happens when something just happens or you think it just happens, and how to deal with those situations as well, so you can understand the lessons that are coming. The idea right now with the high energy coming in, I want to deal with it quickly and move forward. I don't want to hold on to negativity. I don't want to hold on to grudges. I don't want to get stuck. Keep rocking and rolling it through. Deal with it, move forward. Deal with it, move forward. The more aware we are, the easier this is going to be. So I hope to see you Saturday. Keep up the great work and keep moving your energy forward.